Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Speaking Practice. I'm Amma, and I'm really happy you're here today.
Hi everyone, I'm Jack. It's great to see learners from so many places. Today, we're going to practice real English, the kind you can actually use every day.
Jack, before we start the lesson, let me ask you something simple. How is your day going today?
I would say it's busy, but in a good way. I woke up early, I made some coffee, I checked my phone, then I came here to record with you.
That sounded very natural. You didn't try to make one long sentence, but your ideas were still connected.
Yes, exactly. I just said what happened step by step.
And that's something many English learners struggle with. They know grammar, they know words, but when they speak, their English sounds broken or robotic.
That's true. Many learners stop after every sentence. They think too much. They worry about mistakes.
So today, we'll help you with one very important skill, connecting sentences in English.
Yes, you don't need big grammar rules. You just need simple connectors and a natural flow.
Jack, why do you think some learners sound unnatural even when their grammar is correct?
Because they speak in pieces. They say one sentence, then they stop, then another sentence. The listener feels tired.
Exactly. Let me give an example.
I woke up, I was tired, I went to work.
Nothing is wrong, but it sounds like a robot talking.
Now, listen to this version.
I woke up and I was tired, so I went to work.
Same meaning, but much smoother.
That's the secret. English is not about long sentences. It's about connections.
Let's start with the easiest connector, and.
Yes, if you don't know what to say next, and can save you.
You use and when one thing happens after another.
For example,
I woke up and checked my phone.
very natural. Another one.
She smiled and said hello.
It feels calm and friendly.
And tells the listener, I'm not finished yet.
But remember, don't use too many ands in one sentence.
Yes, listen to this bad example.
I woke up and I ate breakfast and I went outside and I met my friend. Too many ands can sound childish.
One or two is enough.
Now, Jack, what if I want to show a contrast or surprise? Then you use but. But is very powerful. It adds emotion.
For example,
I wanted to go out, but it started raining.
the listener can feel the disappointment.
Another one.
He's quiet, but he's very friendly.
Nice, but changes the direction of the sentence.
It's like saying, wait, something is different.
What about when something happens because of another thing?
That's when you use so.
So shows the result.
For example,
I was tired, so I went home early.
very clear. We understand why you went home.
Another example.
It was very cold, so we stayed inside.
So is great for storytelling. Jack, many learners ask me, where do I use because?
That's easy. Use because to explain why.
And usually we say the action first.
Yes, for example,
I stayed home because I felt sick.
very natural. Another one.
She smiled because she was happy.
Simple, clear, friendly English.
You don't need to sound perfect. You just need to sound real.
Now let's talk about or.
Or is used when you give choices.
For example,
We can eat now or later.
another one.
Do you want tea or coffee?
Or makes conversations interactive.
It also helps when you're not sure.
Amma, do native speakers always use connectors?
No, not always. Sometimes we use short pauses.
For example,
I was really tired. Didn't sleep well last night.
no connector, but still natural.
That's real spoken English.
Let's talk about mistakes learners should avoid.
First mistake, thinking too much.
Yes, when you think too much, you stop speaking.
Second mistake, very long sentences.
Long sentences are hard to follow.
Third mistake, trying to be perfect.
Perfect English is not the goal. Smooth English is the goal.
Let's practice together.
Listen to these ideas.
I was tired. I finished work late. I went home.
You can say,
I was tired, so I went home after work.
or
I finished work late and I was tired, so I went home.
different ways, same meaning.
Don't copy us. Use your own style. Now that we've practiced basic connectors, let's talk about something very important: confidence. Many learners know these words, but they still feel nervous when speaking.
That's true. The problem is not vocabulary. The problem is fear.
Fear of making mistakes.
Fear of stopping in the middle.
Fear of sounding silly.
But the truth is, mistakes are normal. Even native speakers make them.
Yes, when we speak naturally, we don't plan every sentence in our head.
We think about the idea first, then we speak.
This is a very important point. Don't think in full sentences, think in ideas.
For example, if I say,
I went to the market. That's one idea. Then I add another idea.
I met a friend.
Now you connect them.
I went to the market and met a friend.
Simple, no stress.
But many learners stop after the first sentence and think again.
That's when English breaks.
Let's use a daily life situation, morning routine.
Okay, I'll start.
I woke up late.
Now continue.
I woke up late, so I skipped breakfast.
Very natural.
I skipped breakfast, but I grabbed coffee.
Nice use of but.
I grabbed coffee and rushed to work.
See? One small story, very smooth.
Many learners want to speak better English at work.
Yes, especially in meetings.
Let's practice a work example. Broken version first. I had a meeting. It was long. We talked about sales. We decided something.
Now the smooth version.
I had a long meeting and we talked about sales, so we made a decision.
Much more professional.
You don't sound nervous, you sound confident.
English sounds best when it feels like a story.
Stories don't need big words.
They need flow.
Let's tell a simple weekend story.
I wanted to relax.
But I had work.
So I stayed home.
And I watched a movie.
One sentence at a time, easy. Jack, what if learners forget which connector to use?
That's okay, just pause.
A short pause is natural.
For example, I was tired, didn't sleep well.
No problem at all.
Listeners still understand.
Let's act out a real conversation.
Okay.
Hey Jack, how was your day?
It was busy but good. I had a lot of emails, so I stayed late.
Oh no, did you eat dinner?
Yes, but very late because I was tired.
That sounded very natural.
I didn't think about grammar. I just connected ideas.
English is not only facts, it's feelings.
Yes, connectors help show feelings.
For example, I studied hard, but I was still nervous.
The listener feels it.
Another one, I practiced every day, so I feel more confident now.
Very motivating.
Now it's your turn.
Listen to these ideas. I was hungry. The restaurant was closed. I cooked at home.
You can say, I was hungry, but the restaurant was closed, so I cooked at home.
Perfect.
Try it in different ways.
There is no single correct answer.
Many learners stop because they think, what if I'm wrong?
But stopping is worse than being wrong.
Yes, keep going.
Even broken English is better than silence.
You don't need connectors everywhere.
Mix styles.
Example, I woke up late, missed the bus, so I walked.
Very natural spoken English.
The more you practice, the easier it becomes.
Start with daily life.
Talk about your day.
Talk about your feelings.
Use simple connectors.
And don't rush.
Jack, we've talked a lot about connectors, flow, and confidence. Now, I want learners to really feel how everything comes together.
Yes, this is the moment when learners realize, oh, I can actually do this.
Exactly. English doesn't have to feel heavy or stressful.
It can feel light, like a normal conversation with a friend.
One big problem is that learners treat speaking like an exam.
Yes, they think someone is judging every word.
But real conversations are not exams.
People care about meaning, not perfection.
If your idea is clear, your English is successful.
Let's start with a very normal daily conversation.
Okay.
Hey, Emma, how was your morning today?
It was a little slow at first, but it became busy later. I woke up late, so I skipped breakfast.
Oh no, did you feel tired?
Yes, but I had coffee, so I felt better.
See how natural that sounded?
I didn't plan it. I just spoke.
That's the goal.
Learners often ask, how can I use connectors faster?
The answer is practice, not memorization.
Use the same few words again and again. And, but, so, because, or.
These 5 words can carry most conversations.
Now let's do a workplace example.
Many learners need English for jobs.
Okay, I'll start. How did the meeting go today?
It was long, but it was useful. We talked about deadlines, so we changed the schedule.
That sounds very professional.
And it was simple English.
Exactly. Simple English sounds confident.
Jack, what if a learner makes a mistake while speaking?
That's normal. Just fix it and continue.
Like this?
Yes. For example, I went yesterday. Sorry, last week.
No problem at all.
Native speakers do this all the time.
Let's tell a short story together.
Okay,
Yesterday, I wanted to relax.
but you had work?
Yes, so I stayed home.
And what did you do?
I watched a movie and cooked dinner
That's a full story.
with very easy English.
Emma, many learners feel nervous when people listen.
That's normal.
What should they do?
Slow down.
Yes.
Speak one idea at a time.
Use short sentences if needed.
Confidence comes from clarity.
English becomes powerful when you add feelings.
For example, I was nervous, but I tried.
That sentence has emotion.
Another one, I practiced every day, so I feel proud.
That's motivating.
Now it's your turn again.
Listen carefully.
I missed the bus, I was late, I took a taxi.
You can say, I missed the bus, so I took a taxi.
Or, I was late because I missed the bus.
Many correct answers.
Let's say this clearly.
Making mistakes means you're learning.
Silence means you're stuck.
So speak, even if it's not perfect.
Jack, how can learners practice daily?
Very easily.
How?
Talk about your day.
Even alone.
Yes, alone is fine.
For example, I woke up early and I felt tired, so I drank tea.
Perfect practice.
Now let's mix everything.
Short sentences.
Connectors.
Pauses.
Confidence.
That's real English.
Jack, how do you feel about English now?
I feel calm. I don't rush and I connect my ideas.
That's exactly how learners should feel.
English should feel friendly, not scary.
Dear learners, remember this.
English is not about perfect grammar.
It's about sharing your ideas.
One idea at a time.
Connect them simply.
And keep speaking.
Thank you so much for practicing with us today on Daily English Speaking Practice.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video.
Share it with someone who wants to improve their English.
And subscribe to our channel for more real-life English conversations.
Practice a little every day.
Be patient with yourself.
And most importantly,
Keep speaking English.
see you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.